Hi guys, a new site today. It's in the gaming niche, and as you can see, the domain has a good enough history which was unchanged since 2004 till 2021. That's a good domain. And coming to the history about it, it was about to be a gaming software company or something, but it didn't work out for them. So we'll try to build another site in it, and the domain will be revealed to the private mastermind. The site is hosted on EasyBlog Networks, and let's get started with the keyword research. I'll use Keyword Chef's Niche Insights tool, and I'll go into games because it's into gaming industry, right? We're trying to find some micro gaming topics because gaming niches is very saturated. I think we can do some keywords on Call of Duty and PUBG, a bunch of different games, Call of Duty, PUBG, or anything. Let me just scroll down through it and we'll find some good ones. I think I can make it casino gambling stuff and we'll see how it works out because suppose if I'm able to sell like a post or two every month, casino easily pay you like 300 bucks for a guest post, and if you are able to negotiate with some bulk sellers or people selling guest posts out there, you can get like 100 or $150 for every post. And since it's an expired domain which has some authority, it has a DO of 29 actually, so that's quite nice. As you can see, it has some links from Metafilter. Not that many great links, but we'll see how it works out in the casino niche. I'll make a list of all casino games like roulette, slots, or poker, and so on. And then I'll grab keywords from Keyword Chef. We'll just ask ChatGPT to list down all casino games. Okay, so we can actually go into subcategories like in poker, Texas Hold'em, Omaha, seven card stud, and so on. This can be actually a very big one, like electronic games, table games, and so on. If I use ChatGPT, I can go very deeper into it. All kinds of pie, go, poker. Let me just see if it has anything. Or we can simply ask ChatGPT to create some titles, right? So, for example, like I'll just use autoblogging once. What are the rules, payouts, and so on? I'll add images should be fine. Add key takeaways, add YouTube video. So meanwhile we are waiting for this. I think I'll be able to create some very good titles for this niche. List down all types of poker games like Omaha. So this can be the source context that we use in auto blogging. So that's nice, right? So suppose if you're doing one category, you can add this so that ChatGPT or AI doesn't go haywire in the backend and it knows like what 27 triple draw is. And we have all these different categories. When I started researching on this, I did not expect to go down this road, but yeah, we are now building a gambling site. This is the article, decent enough image, something broken, yeah, here and there, but okay. What is history? How to play? Rules? Objective? How are hands ranked? Okay, nice. What is the payout structure? Different types of bets. Winning tip for okay. Nice. Alright, so I think we have figured out what niche we are going to do with this site, this new one. And since the DA is 29, I think we'll be able to sell a couple of guest posts on it. So what I'll do is I'll create all these categories. We'll start with poker first, and then I'll start with all these different games inside. I'll do some blackjack, roulette, and so on, and create some title variations. Yeah, I think we are good to go. So this was the niche research and keyword research for our new gambling site now instead of gaming. And the homepage is actually indexed on Google because I booked the domain on 1st March and today is 10th March. And I was simply letting it stay idle just to see if it will index naturally. And it did. And it's going to take some time for me to create all the article titles and find them on Keyword Chef. By the way, if you only do an article on a horse poker gaming, it won't really know what it is. Like AI can go haywire. So this source context can help it out. Like a mixed game rotating through 5 different poker variants. And by the way, I just remembered you can't really host gambling sites on EasyBlog network, so I'll have to first move the site to my own net servers. This is a good strategy of them to keep their IPs clean. It's going to take some time, but I'll be revealing everything else for this topic inside the private mastermind, and they'll be able to track what's happening with the site. So, alright, guys, see you tomorrow with a new site.